Hi everyone, welcome back to COZYROC's MongoDB demonstration video series. Today I'm going to be showing you how to pull data from a MongoDB source using COZYROC's MongoDB Source. Let's get started. Alright, in our previous demonstration we set up the MongoDB connection manager, and so we're going to start with that package, but I'm going to make a copy of it. And let's see, let's go ahead and paste that there. We'll rename it to rename it to MongoDB Source. All right, and let's go ahead and test that connection just to make sure that it carried over. All right, and it does. So let's go ahead and add a data flow task to the control flow canvas, and we will rename that to DB source also, and we'll double click to get to the data flow, and let's drag a MongoDB source to the data flow canvas, and I'll rename that as well so it indicates that we're pulling the stories collection. Alright, let's double click that to get to the MongoDB source editor, and we will go ahead and choose our MongoDB connection manager and our collection of stories, and you can see that our columns are populated. And I do know that already that description is going to need to be widened to something bigger than the default 256. I'm going to set that to 1000. All right, and then let's go ahead and add an Excel destination plus, which is another of COZYROC's components. And let's see, we're going to go ahead and configure that. We need to create a new connection, and I already have an Excel set up for stories. It's called stories.xls, and inside of that I've already got a worksheet set up called original, and we're going to write that. We're going to clear the existing data on that worksheet and write all of our data from stories collection. All right, and so since we've got that configured, now we need to connect up the output from the MongoDB source to the input of the Excel destination plus. All right, and now you can see that we do have our columns mapped. All right, let's go ahead and run this. All right, and you can see all the 9,000 plus rows have been added to the stories XLS, and we'll take a look at that. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and grab one of these IDs here. and this time I'm gonna run this, but to the MongoDB source I'm gonna add a filter. Alright, and here's the syntax for adding the filter. I believe this is the same as the filter that you would use inside a MongoDB website. Alright, and that's our filter that we're going to use to pull back just that one. It's not actually called a record, it's called a document. Alright, so we're going to pull back that one document. Let's go ahead and add a union all so that we can enable the data viewer. Package. All right, and there you can see that we did get the one record returned. All right, and that's all you have to do to set up the MongoDB source and pull back a collection. All right, thanks for watching. If you have questions, don't hesitate to contact us by submitting a ticket on our help center at desk.cozyroc.com. You can join our social media at the link shown here. For more videos and content, subscribe to our channel.